We have all been through heartbreaks and heartaches. Have you ever wondered why it happened? Were there telltale signs or red flags early on? Understanding why relationships falter is as crucial as nurturing them. In a revealing study by Apostolo in 2022, the dynamics of relationship dissolution were scrutinized, identifying behaviors most likely to send your significant other packing. Our panel of 6 psychologists are thrilled to present this study for you. Let's start with Dr. Emily on control.
Control in a relationship can begin subtly, perhaps with small, seemingly innocuous demands or suggestions. However, these behaviors can escalate, leading to a significant loss of personal freedom and autonomy. Being overly critical, restricting access to friends and interests, or insisting on unreasonable demands are all red flags. The need for control often stems from deep-seated insecurity or past traumas. It manifests in relationships through jealousy, manipulation, or even outright aggression. Such behavior not only stifles the personal growth of the partner, but also creates a pervasive atmosphere of tension and hostility. Understanding why some individuals exhibit controlling behaviors can be key to addressing these issues. It involves recognizing the signs early and having open discussions about boundaries and mutual respect. Therapy or counseling can also provide necessary tools to manage or mitigate these tendencies. Handing over the mic to Dr. Ryan. Doctor.
Thank you, Dr. Emily. Neglectance and distance. Feeling neglected or emotionally distanced from a partner can be profoundly painful. It is often cited as a primary reason for relationship breakdowns. Neglect can take many forms, from failing to make time for the relationship to showing a lack of interest in your partner's feelings or needs. The essence of a healthy relationship is a balanced emotional give and take. When one partner consistently feels undervalued or ignored, it can lead to resentment and emotional disconnection. This often results from one partner prioritizing their needs or interests without regard for the other, leading to a one-sided relationship dynamic. To counteract this, it's crucial for partners to actively engage in each other's lives. Regular communication, shared activities, and mutual support are fundamental. It's also important for individuals to express their needs openly and constructively, fostering an environment where both partners feel valued and heard. Dr. Sarah will tell you more on abuse.
Thank you, Dr. Ryan. Abuse within relationships can be destructive and is a definite deal breaker. It encompasses a range of behaviors from verbal abuse and manipulation to physical violence and substance abuse. The impact of enduring such behaviors can be devastating, leading to long-term psychological and sometimes physical damage. Recognizing the signs of abuse is the first step towards intervention. It's crucial for both partners to understand that abuse does not resolve itself and typically escalates over time. Addressing the issue, seeking help from professionals, and in some cases, removing oneself from the dangerous environment are necessary steps. Creating a safe space for open dialogue about behaviors that each partner finds hurtful or unacceptable can also prevent misunderstandings and unintentional harm. This involves setting clear boundaries and having the courage to speak out if they are crossed. Let's hear Dr. Matthew on trust.
Thank you, Dr. Sarah. Trust is the cornerstone of any lasting relationship. When it's broken, through dishonesty or infidelity, the damage can be hard to repair. Deceit and disloyalty undermine the foundation of trust and can lead to a cascade of insecurity and conflict within a relationship. Fidelity isn't just about being physically faithful. It also encompasses emotional loyalty and transparency. Keeping secrets or lying about one's interactions can be just as harmful as physical betrayal. Rebuilding trust after such betrayals requires significant effort and commitment from both partners. Maintaining honesty requires ongoing communication and commitment. It's about more than avoiding lies. It's about being open about one's feelings, desires, and challenges within the relationship. Regular check-ins and honest conversations can help maintain this crucial aspect of partnership. Let's hear Dr. Jessica's insight on neglect.
Thank you, Dr. Matthew. Over time, it's easy for individuals in a relationship to become complacent, neglecting personal care or mutual responsibilities. This can range from diminished physical upkeep to a lack of effort in the relationship's emotional or practical aspects. Such neglect can lead to diminished attraction and respect. Personal growth and mutual effort are essential to keep the relationship dynamic and engaging. Both partners need to invest in themselves and each other continually. This includes maintaining physical health, engaging in personal hobbies and interests, and contributing equally to shared responsibilities. Encouraging each other's growth, celebrating achievements, and supporting through challenges can strengthen bonds. It's important to remember that love is not just a feeling, but an active commitment to a shared life. Finally, Dr. Kevin on values.
Thank you, Dr. Jessica. Differing parenting styles and values can create significant rifts in a relationship, especially when children are involved. Disagreements over discipline, education, or even basic childcare responsibilities can escalate into major conflicts, affecting the entire family dynamic. Alignment in parenting approaches and family values is crucial. It ensures that children receive consistent messages and care, which is essential for their development. It also helps in maintaining a united front in all parenting decisions, reducing conflict and confusion. Navigating these dynamics requires open communication, flexibility, and sometimes professional guidance. Seeking family counseling can provide strategies for harmonizing differing parenting styles and improving the overall family environment. Understanding and addressing these 6 areas can significantly enhance relationship longevity and satisfaction. By recognizing early signs of trouble and actively working to rectify them, couples can avoid the heartache of separation and build a more robust, enduring partnership. This comprehensive exploration into relationship dynamics uncovers critical areas often overlooked until it's too late. The insights drawn from Apostolou's study are not merely academic, but are practical guideposts for maintaining healthy, fulfilling relationships. By staying vigilant against these common pitfalls, partners can foster a nurturing, supportive, and resilient union. Remember, the goal isn't just to stay together, but to thrive together, respecting and enriching each other's lives through every challenge and triumph. Learn more about your very own emotions hurting your relationships in this video.